Hey everyone, is your iPhone locked with lock to owner or cloud activation lock lengths? How do you fix it at your home without doing a jailbreak? So with the help of PC or laptops, we will see live step by step with real demonstrations. This device came to my show yesterday, but right now I'm trying to fix it, and this is yes 13 stage. So yes, without doing a jailbreak, so we can easily fix it. So here, why it happens, guys? This can be due to many reasons. So firstly, we will try to access iTunes and check it out. What's the reason behind of that? Because sometimes anyone who has attempted multiple times wrong screen passcode, Face ID is not recognized, Touch ID is not recognized, then it will stack on this cloud activation lock links and ask you that activation lock that prevents yes, anyone who is not the owner from using this device. To unlock this, enter the polite and password that's were used to set up this device. So if you are aware that what is a screen passcode, then by tapping on there, if Apple is giving an opportunity, then go with the especially unlockings. Yes, iCloud with passcode. If you don't know, but particular you know Apple ID of the particular any especially I mean lock to owners device, then go on its official Apple support, guys, and of course here and just we will have to go for forgot option and forgot options too. Of course we can go for here clearly see forgot option and we can go for clearly rescue of this with the help of Apple support. But if you don't know the particular Apple ID also, then let's say start come with this strategy. This can be happens for various reasons. One is that when you have attempted multiple times a screen wrong passcode, sometimes when you have attempted also time screen passcode, my device mobile management locks or manager password wrong, so then this will happen. And sometimes, of course, maybe you have to purchase a second-hand device and the previous owner who erase everything, so then it will stack on this situation, and this will ask you that enter the polite and password. Sometimes, of course, maybe reported, blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, or you have gotten anywhere. So in each situation, guys, and sometimes a broken damage due to also especially a bug and the viruses of especially attack on iOS and iOS has been the damage, then it will attack on this situation. So we'll open a blob saver. It's a Wi-Fi, of course, and these tools, of course, you can access, install it, include the betas, specify API announce here, we will have to relax and we will read it. So we will read it, and now so that we can see it will fetch all the information from the cloud database and the Apple database and reaccumulate on this. So go with this strategy. First is that yes, go with the screen passcode. If you don't know, then multiple times if you enter, then once again it will go on a disable mode. So if you are aware, then go with that. Otherwise, if you forgot your Apple ID, if you forgot your screen passcode and you know Apple ID, then go with that iTunes that I have the mentions to you. But try to access with the help of iTunes. iTunes will tell you that is it in a lost mode, blacklisted, stolen mode, reported device or not, and etc. And of course, you can fix the any device, anyone who has authorized to you to fix. Now, that we can see here, it is once again it's putting into the recovery and see it's especially once again so multiple times when this can be rebooted. Do a step by step and then we will see the further. Yes, we are trying to see two more devices today we will have to fix, so a little bit in the hurry, guys, but let's see what's going to happen here. Successfully we have the go-to API now, so that we can cut it from here, and of course that we have now attempt on this is 3U tools. Now guys, it's a time to check it out, the cross check it that your device has accumulated all the especially work the viruses, files, folders, apps, application, the redundant files, and then we will go for delete. So see, we will come on here, guys, and check it out. We'll go for here. Now, so we will see on a crash analysis, it has been the highlighted, so we'll go inside a lot of the data that come on here, guys. See, if it clicks, these all failed. Maybe this has been the converted now bug and the viruses, so just we will cut it from here, guys, and now it's the time to come on the real-time logs. Let's clear the Safari history. Sometimes maybe the browser with a especially particular ID, and uh, due to retaining that, this can be especially the basic reasons to especially retain this particular the previous owner ID. At least 20 times we will have to access to the clear, guys, and then make it pass to clear. Now almost done, guys. So from this, now we will open this is do a step by step, guys. All the tools and drivers we will provide you, especially below the description box. There will be a download links. Within one click you can have. We'll come the trial mode. We remind me later. We will tap on this, and here is option, just cancel from this. Sorry, but don't cut and don't do any extra anything. Now it has started to fetch all the cloud retaining data. So we will refresh so that the fresh data will be attracted. Now so that we can see here, there's a finally, of course, it has been 5 minutes we spent, and they still, now it is verifying that this idea has been. So don't do a mistake here, just cancel only once, that's all. Don't do extra anything, otherwise the system would be restarted once again. Keep clearing 8 layers 20 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, sorry, just let me. Keep clearing, guys, keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing. On the other hand, guys, we will come the REC mode, hit this one REC modes, and keep clearing some of these consoles. So almost you see here white screen that become finally. So we will close this, and this device is pushing into the recovery. So we will tap on a smart flash to we will come on a firmware, and the firmware here we will select the latest beta version. So just to see, we will select the model number. So maybe this is a 13 series. So just we will come on this. Now we can see, yeah, first one, this beta version we will go for 90F. So directly we can download it, or this can be imported also. So how do I, just we will select the custom local firmware by tapping on easy flash, and here we will go on a quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, don't select the anti-recovery, don't select the fix. This one we had a downloaded, and the kept on a especially see on a IPSW there. So this one we had, yes, download. So without making delay, just we will go on especially this. So this one before, don't select the fixed battery also during the flash, otherwise manually you will have to adjust. So now see, it has been the rest on 11%. Let me keep it on there. And one thing here I would like to tell you guys, that this firmware that can be downloaded from ipsw.beta.com, also ipsw.com, and on itself Apple, and also you can download by via on a space line c www.3u.com, and on a 3u tools also you can download. So this IPSW is a very easy, but try to approach to download beta version, specific the latest one that suits. So the 3u tool guide you that what's iOS would be suitable for that, and what's beta. So now that we have the rest on especially 22% here, the close the iTunes options in this, so that multiple times this will not interrupt again and again. Yes, by opening iTunes when it will restart, and it will disturb and interrupt while doing these all things. So maybe chances to have a source of error, guys. Use the proper data cable, guys. Data cable should be a good quality, yes. Otherwise there should be no compromise with the data cables. Yes, that should be it all functional, otherwise it will stack on a once again, because this can be a created source of error once again. Whole procedure we will have to repeat, so that's why. And second thing, you should have the second internet connection also. Data should be a sufficiency, because approximately it will take yes 10 GB to complete download iOS only. And then internet connection should be always connected, because 3U tool will be a functional on the basis of that you provided internet connection with the configuration of Apple database and the cloud database. So now that we have this on a space line 50%, guys. So now that we can, yes, deselect of these ones. And of course technical things takes on time, so we will have to relax on the comes with these ones because two more devices into it, we will have to fix it. And now it's requesting the end data, so of course we will wait and see the what's going to be happens. Any source of the error suddenly occurs, then of course we will start to a troubleshoot of it. So why? Because of, yes, there are more than 200 source of error. So what we will do, guys, here, if there are more than 200 source of error and types of the error, you can say, so what's the trouble, what's the issues, on what way you will troubleshoot of it. That is very crucial thing, so that's I will of course explain here. Suddenly any error comes, then now we are waiting on ISP slam. It's requesting the end data, guys. So what we can, let's see. And while the flashing process, your device shouldn't be space laminated disconnected or unplugged. And this is things that we are observing, that this can be sometimes seen in the ascending order also, sometimes descending order also, sometimes, yes, this can be seen in jumping order. So don't, yes, look at on there, look this, that physical process is going on or not, because suddenly it will complete and this will jump. So and check it out with all the update that what's right now updating here, and completely all the data will be erased or erased, that there will be no retaining data, there will be no chances to further links with the previous owner, and also we will try to unbind the previous owner spontaneously. Of course, 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. So please watch a complete tutorial, guys. You are the blaming that we are unable to execute second support. How can I? This is a manual method, guys, and manually you will have to operate on your computer. We will coach you, guide you, instruct you, that's all. Otherwise we can't do anything. So, but of course we can assist you when you give us the screenshot by email or also drop in the comment box specific, yes, I mean, on which area you are the trying to, because this strategy will be applicable all over the world. So go on this, and by free of course, no one the shopkeeper can tell us in this kind of in this status that of course by easily by free of course you can fix it. Why they will tell you? So because of, yes, you don't pay to anyone. So if you can fix this one at your home, then. And one thing also I would like to tell you that take any laptops, guys. Yes, this will be a easiest ever that you will experience by using this strategy to fix the various device related to iPhones, of course, and on what's different models. Yes, you are trying to fix that. Also don't forget to give a feedback on what's different, especially mobile, that you are getting issues or the reasons do not succeed because of, especially here. And also please join this channel, so because any kind of the particular issue if we face on a with particular any iPhones and gain the experience, and then definitely we would share on this channel. So guys, so randomly just the recordings especially this on a different models, and of course you can gain the experience by this small bites of this tutorial. We are not going to edit, guys. So now so that we can see here it's sending the B4 cryptex 1 system OS. So almost we have done. Now see 99% or 98% is we have the completed. This data cable has been connected with this. Visually we can see. Fine, so we will see that the further what's going to happen. Yes, so 2-3 crucial step on exact time, so we will have to access, and so that's we will see here. So don't skip it, guys. Yes, and once again I repeat, while the flashing process, this can be restarted. Of course, your device, the device may restart the multiple times. So please don't unplug the device. And yes, now see almost 98% is we have a completed, and a little bit it will taking times, and then the further we will see. I hope that this tutorial is absolutely clear. There is no space alignment, visuality problems, and if it is, then of course where there is a confusion, drop the query in the comments box and the plus would be managed to reply your query. Now so we will have to this should be a deselected at all, guys, otherwise you will have the problem, guys, that your iTunes will not open. So we will have to access by using iTunes. Also, the one thing from the cloud database and the Apple database that it is linked or not. Now that we can see the clearly this has been the congratulated and greeted to us that it has been the completed. So now we will be ready for the batch activation, and after then we will try to unbind the previous ID if it is. Now so that we can see this feature has been provided by free of cost to other access to skip the setting region language, face ID, touch ID, Apple ID, of course, time screen, passcode, iDevice, mobile management, logs, manage the password, everything would be skipped. So just we are waiting here when it will be highlighted quickly within 30 seconds we will try to execute it. So just now here it has been highlighted, we will select all and we will go for execution. So now that we can say activating and the skipping, so both has been started. There is a two parts. One is having error, suppose here then immediately we will change the internet connection of your PC, because this is not configuring from the cloud database and the Apple database where you unlocking or fixing this device. So by changing internet connections, definitely this would be a fix it. And sometimes in the rarest of rare case, when the sum of the device exceptional case it is, guys, that if it is not, however, still the one is having the error. Suppose skipping parts is especially error, activating parts succeed, or activating parts error, skipping parts succeeds. After changing the internet connection, however, then we will use the virtual private networks to customize the precise location of your PC particular according to the cell series of device. Suppose this phone belongs to United States, we will have to provide especially United States the precise location of your PC. So both would be a similar and this would be a completely fixed, guys. Right now we can see we are having here nothing issues because the blob server we have already is visualized. See, blob server performed very well, so now it has, so it will take scarcely 1 to 2 minutes and then, but it will notify you that any error comes then, so we will have to wait and the patience, so don't do extra anything by you that. Now we will try to unbind the Apple ID by selections of and deactivating them there. So it's asking so that you have to especially ensure the 10 second, then it will be highlighted. So the fans we will ensure it that now it has been highlighted. We will go for a successfully dance. Now what we will do, guys, here just it's a time to the open to iTunes to check it out the cloud database and the Apple database. After accessing the data that it is still it is going to be the link to the particular ID or not. So it has connected now, so that we can see, just we will go on here and here we will have to select the particular zone cell area of that. So yes, we will go for here selections, and now we can see white screen on there. No, it has the welcome to you as a new one device, guys. What you're waiting here, this has been completely fixed from the cloud database and the Apple database. Now in the physically form of this device we will try to access and see. Here is a two option given directly. One is that start again, second is a continue with the partial setup. So just we will go with the continue partial setup and see this system is bombed completely unlocked. So we tap on it, it's asking that you will have to connect to the firstly internet connections to other sign into your device. Means we can't sign the internet connection without internet connection of this. We can't create a new Apple ID with password according to your own desire without having the internet connection. How do you provide internet connection? Two way. One is a Wi-Fi and the second is especially of course SIM card. So try to go with the SIM card. Insert the SIM card and then we will come on here that firstly you can scan it that this is a functioning or not. Yes, the screen passcode, face ID, everything is functioning now, guys, here. So what we will do here, now we will cut it from here and then, yes, we will cut it from here and then we will come on a virtual locations to other areas, store the true locations. We will hit this one and now system is completely rebooted and the restored